Every night, you close your eyes, and something strange happens. Your body stays in the same bed. Your breathing slows down. Your room is still around you, but your mind disappears. You stop hearing the world. You stop feeling time. And suddenly, you are inside dreams, memories, emotions, and places that do not even exist. So the real question is, where does your mind go when you sleep? Every night, you close your eyes and the world disappears. Your body stays in bed, but your mind seems to go somewhere else. You see strange places, familiar faces, and stories that feel real. So the question is, where does your mind go when you sleep? Sleep is one of the strangest things every living creature does. For hours, the body becomes quiet, the eyes close, and awareness fades. In the wild, that sounds dangerous. If an animal cannot see danger, why would nature allow sleep to exist? But sleep did not disappear. For millions of years, animals kept sleeping. Humans slept in caves, animals slept in forests, and even today, almost every living creature needs rest. That means sleep must be doing something important. And this is where the mystery begins. If your body is not moving, why does your mind feel active? Why can you dream, feel fear, remember people, and wake up with emotions? It feels like something is happening inside you, even when you look completely still. During the day, your brain collects a huge amount of information. Sounds, faces, emotions, problems, fears, memories, and random thoughts all enter your mind. By the end of the day, your brain is full of signals. Sleep helps to handle all of that noise. While you sleep, your brain starts changing its connections. Some pathways become stronger, some become weaker. Some information is saved, and some is slowly faded away. This is one reason sleep feels like a reset for the mind. Scientists have found that sleep is not just empty rest. It is an active process. Your brain is organizing, sorting, cleaning, and repairing while you are unconscious. From the outside, you look passive, but inside, your brain is working. Deep sleep is one of the most important stages. In this stage, your body becomes deeply relaxed and your brain enters a slower rhythm. This is when the mind can recover, memories can settle, and the body can restore energy. One powerful idea is that sleep helps clean the brain. During waking hours, waste builds up in the brain. During sleep, the brain's cleaning system becomes more active. It helps clear away waste and prepares your mind for the next day. Sleep may also affect who you are. Your mood, patience, focus, memory, and emotions all depend on sleep. When you do not sleep well, you may feel more angry, confused, anxious, or tired. So sleep is not just rest. It shapes your behavior. Your brain also reprocesses emotions while you sleep. Embarrassment, fear, sadness, stress, and painful memories can return in altered forms. That is why a dream can feel emotional, even if it makes no logical sense. Your brain is trying to process feelings. From the outside, sleep looks passive. Your eyes are closed, your body is still, and you're not responding much. But inside, the brain can be surprisingly active. It is not switched off. It is working in a different mode. Dreams are often made from pieces of your life. A face you saw yesterday, a place from childhood, a fear you ignored, a conversation you barely remember. Your brain takes these pieces and mixes them into a strange story. When you fall asleep, the outside world becomes weaker. Your phone, your room, your bed, and the sounds around you fade from attention. The brain starts focusing less on what is outside and more on what is happening inside. Then your mind begins building an inner world. It creates places without using your eyes. It creates movement without moving your body. It creates people, danger, memories, and emotions. And while you're inside the dream, it can feel completely real. But sometimes there is no dream at all. No story, no place, no faces, just a blank space. This is why sleep can feel like a time jump. You close your eyes and suddenly it is morning. During REM sleep, dreams can become more vivid. Your eyes move under your eyelids and your brain becomes active again. This is when many strange dreams happen. Your body stays still, but your mind can feel like it is traveling. When you wake up, your brain returns to the real world. The dream breaks apart. Your room comes back. your body feels real again. For a few seconds, you may feel confused because your mind is switching from one reality to another. So, where are you when you sleep? Your body is still here, but your experience is inside your brain. You are not traveling to another place. You are moving through a private world created by your own mind. The truth is simple but strange. Sleep does not just rest your body. It changes your brain, your memories, your emotions, and your sense of reality. Every night, your mind disappears from the outside world and enters a place only you can see. Subscribe to RAVIO Explains for more strange explanations about your brain, your body, sleep, dreams, and the hidden side of human life. Because the more you understand your mind, the stranger it becomes.